Well guys, we're back at the barn. It's the day the 1970 convertible comes out. I'm here at 5150 helping them out. We just had the last tire put on in the back. Yeah, we had to dig a giant hole, jack it up. It was stuck pretty good. So she's coming out today. Get the winch ready. Want to tow her out. What we got going on?
Let's hope this works. How far we got?
No, we're good.
60, well, 50?
Probably about 50 feet, I'm thinking. We got a dragger.
Get ready to give it the business. Well, she should roll.
Pull her right up here. Get her on here. Get her out of here. That's the plan. We still got a little mountain here. We got to pull her through. But the main stuff is all taken care of. It's gone.
Sway bar, like, what is this thing doing?
Thanks to you, Dizzy. Sway bar's broken off. I think we'll get her. Well, she's out. Rusty blue. A little more like dirty blue. Wow, look at this. It's been a long time. Now you can see her though. I'm thinking it's been in there at least since the 80s. The 70 vert is on the trailer. In case any of you guys were wondering what's in this barn before they tear this place down, do a little quick walkthrough. You know, if this was 1996, this might be in the back of my 84 Rabbit. Got some old dogs. I haven't even heard of some of these. Oh, that's a Schwinn. Another Schwinn. Phoenix. Old Trek. BMX. This one's an oldie. I don't know what that one is. That's it, guys. That was the barn. Jason loading up his last car in that trailer. Buying it. Gonna be towing it with the good old Touareg. I got some cars need to pick up. Figured it was time. Time for a new trailer.
Yep.
In there.
Fifth wheel for the old Gen 1 Tundy.
Yup, he's got a fifth wheel. You heard it here first. So look for that video. But here it is, it's out. Done. Ready for the next step.